Hi everyone, this video is a step-by-step guide to creating a chatbot using LINQ. So when you first log onto the website, you will land on this unit list page. As you can see, I've made many GPT units before, so I have a long list. But if this is your first time creating a GPT unit, please note that this page will be empty. So to get started, you will click on Create New Unit button, and you will type in a title for your chatbot. I've already made this chatbot before, so the name is saved. So I'm just going to click on this name. Since we're creating a chatbot, we will click on the chatbot option and click Create. Then you'll be taken to this page where you can actually start building your unit. On the top of the page, you'll see basic information about the unit that you're building. So you can see the unit name that you just created, the GPT type, which is chatbot. You can see that it was created by Joanna Me. This is my account and the current time and date. And at any point you want to change the name of your chatbot, you can click edit and change this. I'm going to keep this for now. And also the fun part is that you can upload any information that you want your chatbot to remember. So here, since this is a GPT about class policies, I'm going to upload a PDF file that has information about specifically GSU's class policy. So I'm going to click on reference. I'm going to click upload document. Then this new pop-up is going to show. And once I click on PDF file, it's going to let me choose any file to upload. I already had this file ready, class policy PDF. I'm simply going to open it and let it upload. Depending on the size of your file and your internet connection quality, the time to upload the document may vary a little bit. So please be patient as the document gets uploaded. Great. So as you can see on the top right corner, it gives you a signal that the document is successfully uploaded. Then you can press cancel and come out of the pop-up window. And so on the top right corner, you can see that your PDF is uploaded correctly. Now let's go down and build the chatbot. The first setting is the parameters. So for this chatbot, I'm going to use GPT-4. And the temperature is an indication of how much creativity you give your chatbot. I want this chatbot to only provide accurate information based on the class policy PDF I uploaded. I want it to stay within that knowledge boundary and not be creative in developing new class policies for students. So I'm going to keep my temperature as 0, which gives your chatbot no flexibility or creativity in responding. And if you go down more, it says, please specify the desired role of the chatbot. Again, this is asking your chatbot to function as a certain role. As an example, we have a placeholder that says you are a customer service agent who answers customers' questions. So this can be one example. For this specific chatbot, I'm going to add in this role. I've already written this out before I started making the video for time's sake. So again, the name of the chatbot is Advanced Pounce. And I am telling the chatbot that it is an administrator at Georgia State University, and that the chatbot can only answer questions about Georgia State University or GSU based on the instruction below. And I have 3 instructions, which are be nice and polite, Keep the answer in less than 3 paragraphs. I did this so then you don't have to read through an essay of the class policy. And finally, if God asks about another school other than GSU, answer nicely and include that it can only answer to the question about Georgia State University. The PDF file that I uploaded was specifically for GSU. So if someone asks about MIT or Harvard, it's going to have the wrong information. So instead of having the risk of the chatbot delivering wrong information, we're asking it to just say, I don't know, which is very important. So once you give it a role, you can save the setting of your chatbot by just clicking on this flip a disk button. And on the top right corner, again, you can see that your GPT unit has been saved. So now we can start asking questions. So you can save the first question you want to ask here, or you can just type it in every time you want to test something new. So I'm going to first ask the chatbot, who are you? And you simply click run test. And as you can see, it remembers very well and accurately what its identity is, and it answered that it's an advanced Pounce administrator at Georgia State University, and that it is here to provide information and answer questions related to GSU. And again, it emphasizes that its responses are limited to topics concerning Georgia State University. So now how about if I ask how many hours should I take for a class to as how should I take for as a full-time student? And in just a few seconds, it gives it a perfectly correct answer. So to be certified as a full-time student at GSU, a student must carry a minimum of 12 semester hours. And if a student is enrolled in less than a full-time course of a study at Georgia State, he or she may risk losing insurance coverage under the student's parent guardian's insurance policy, and so on. So you can see that this chatbot is accurately reflecting both the PDF that I uploaded, and it's very much well keeping to the role that I asked it to be. Finally, I'm going to ask the chatbot about a course at another university. It's Irvine. I want to drop a course. What should I do? Again, it's sticking very well to the instruction I gave it earlier that it's sorry, but as an administrator at GSU, the chatbot can only provide information about policies and procedures at GSU. And so you can go on and on, ask it many different questions, and you can also play around with different rules and instructions you give your GPT. And also you can try uploading different information in your documents and see how the chatbot incorporates those information and merges it into the responses that it gives to the students. So this is how you create a chatbot using LingQ.